and welcome. This video is part of a series developed to help you quickly enable valuable features across your SAP Ariba solution. In this video, I shall cover the different 4D auction formats used to sell goods and services that are available in SAP Ariba sourcing model and give some guidance on where to apply them. SAP Ariba offers English, Dutch, and Japanese 4D auction formats, which are mostly the same as reverse auctions with a few differences. Understanding the competitive nature of the market you are selling goods or service and the preferred award criteria of the buyer is key to choosing the correct format. And how should I set up my 4D auction and when to use each format? Using the default templates provided with your SAP Ariba solution, start configuring the auction template type based on your business needs. Also give users generic guidelines on when to use each format, which you're gonna see in next slide. Here, the table summarizes the key features and difference between the auction types available to us. Dutch format is suited to an environment where we expect poor competition between bidders, whereas English or Japanese fits better when the market may have medium to high demand for the things we want to sell. In the first scenario, buyer B is well ahead of the competitors. An English auction runs the opportunity that the others may increase their prices, but will never reach the offer of buyer A. So the Dutch auction is favored to try an extra price increase. The Dutch auction has the disadvantage of only providing a single bid, so the seller receives no market knowledge and no comfort that the price tendered is realistic. The seller should make his own research to determine the sustainability of the pricing and properly set the selling price. Now the second scenario is much more competitive, so the English auction should work well. The Japanese auction harnesses the main benefit of both English and Dutch and probably maximizes the possible award option, but suffers the big disadvantage of not showing rank. Now, let's see a quick demo of the auction using the traditional English format. Let's take a look at the for the auction template, which you can customize for your business need. Here you see the details you need to pay attention when set up for your business. So the timing rule session is one of the most important, where you define the time the bids are open for for the seller or for the buyers. In this case, you define if you're gonna show the bid rank uh, to the buyers. Also, the bidding rule session, you define if participants beat the lead bid or not. Participants must improve their bids. This is very important as well. And you also define if participants can submit tie bids. And the last session you need to pay attention is the market feedback session, where you define to show the lead bid to all participants or not, if you can show the participant ranks, if they can see all participant ranks or only their own rank, and show the bid graph to all participants. Now, considering your template is ready, you create your for the auction event here, and then you define in the timing rules that were derived from your template. You can change the running time for the first lot or the items. You can also change the time between the lot closing as well, or how with bid rank triggers over time of the for the auction. We also define if the buyer will improve their bids by percentage or nominal amount. You may define currency rules here and set up the market feedback as well. And then you invite your participants to bid, and you define the content, at least the price, quantity, extended the price. And then in the summary session, you may review your for the auction configuration before publish, or send that auction for Ariba review with at least 24 hours before the event starts. Now, before the auction is open for bids, you monitor buyer bids through the bid history tab session. You also have access to the bid console or the bid graph here, where you can check how is evolving each bid for your goods or service that we are trying to selling. When the event closes, you use the regular content tab to compare buyer bids and define the best one for awards. Thank you for watching this video. For more details, please visit the SAP Help portal and search for the auctions. If you have any further questions at this stage, please contact your SAP Ariba Customer Engagement Executive for more information.